Okay, so what happens after a major cyber attack or data breach? You might have gotten a letter from your bank or some other company, your credit card company, that said we've had a major breach and data has been exposed. Let's look behind the scenes to see what paralegals do who work in this area. And of course, this has become a popular area. So what happens once the data breach hits the headlines? Well, it's not just the IT people and the cybersecurity people getting involved. The paralegals are immediately jumping into action. So how do we jump into action? What do we do? Well, one of the first things we do for the company we're representing or we're against is we do an intake. We gather timelines. When did it happen? What is the chronological order of the data breach or cybersecurity attack? Incident reports, we gather these. Coordination with the IT department is imperative. And then there are compliance laws, rules and regulations that companies have to follow regarding the protection of your data. And it could vary from state to state. Every second counts in jumping into action in this. Some laws require notifications to go out within 72 hours. So it depends again on the state laws. So what do you do in that case? We draft a breach notification letter to people who have been affected. It could be individuals or it could be regulators. It could be all of these people. So the data breach laws just vary widely by the jurisdiction that they're in. So the person involved in this area of law will track what goes to the Attorney General's office, clients, and whom perhaps gets notified internationally. Sometimes things escalate and then we have to prepare for a trial. And I'm gathering evidence logs, discovery management, vendor contracts. The stakes are super high in this. So demands razor sharp attention to detail. So we just don't respond, we prevent. How do we prevent? Well, as paralegals, we will possibly be responsible for updating privacy policies, compliance checklists, have to go over those, training docs for the internal teams within a company. So what's the goal? The goal is to minimize the chances of a cybersecurity attack or a data breach. So we hope to have all those ducks in a row and everything in place so it minimizes the damage. So paralegals in this area of law will often be investigators, and we're like that in most areas of law. We'll be a compliance guru, meaning there are rules and regulations that oversee how banks, credit card companies, any company that has your data. It could be a beauty supply company, but there are compliance laws that they have to follow. And it's all about protecting your sensitive data through legal precision. So that's a great look inside this area of law. And I hope this helps you see all the areas of law, and how they're so different from one another. They really are. There are hundreds of areas of law. So be sure that as a person who's looking at getting into the paralegal career, number one, you get my free training. It's a paralegal playbook PDF. That's basic paralegal training. The second step would be to get the book Legal Break-In on Amazon. Third step would be to join my class, the Accelerator class, to jumpstart your paralegal career. Now, you can go to my website, lrwcoach.com, and check out the free training right there. lrwcoach.com. I'll put the link in the description box for you. Or you can put the word start in the comment section and I'll send you the link or direct you to it, okay? So have a great day. Stay tuned for more areas of law that may be of real interest to you. And be sure you go to the YouTube channel, Paralegal Career Mastermind. That's my channel. And look under the playlist called Areas of Law. Park yourself there with a notebook, take lots of notes, and get to that understanding of what paralegals really do every day. Have a great day.